Hello guys, let's learn some colors. Light green color, yellow color, orange color, purple color, red color, brown color, dark blue color, dark green color, violet color. Let's learn some alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Red color. A for apple. Light green color. B for banana. Dark blue color. C for candy. Yellow color. D for doll. Orange color. E for egg. Violet color. F for fish. Purple color. G for glass. Brown color. H for horse. Dark green color. I for ice cream. Light blue color. J for juice. Pink color. K for kite. Red color. L for lion. Purple color. M for mango. Dark blue color. N for nuts. Orange color. O for orange. Light blue color. P for pen. Light green color. Q for queen. Yellow color. R. R for rose. Brown color. S. S for sun. Dark green color. T. T for tree. Violet color. U. U for umbrella. Red color. V. V for valley. Orange color. W. W for watch. Dark blue color. X. X for xylophone. Light blue color. Y. Y for yak. Light green color. Z. Z for zebra. A. B. C. D. E. F. G. H. I. J. K. L. M. N. O. P. Q. R. S. T. U. V. W. X. Y and Z. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next videos. Bye bye.